You do not lose focus all at once. You lose it in tiny cuts every time your brain has to remember what it was doing before the interruption. The fix is not more discipline. It is learning how to protect the moment before focus breaks. The first payoff is seeing why a 2-minute interruption can steal far more than 2 minutes. Then you will get a way to organize tasks so your attention stops bouncing between unrelated worlds. And when switching has already happened, you will know how to restart without losing the rest of the day. Task switching feels productive because it gives you instant proof of movement. A message answered, a tab checked, a small request handled. But movement is not the same as progress. Imagine a late working professional trying to finish one important proposal. Every few minutes they check chat, answer an email, glance at a calendar, and return to the proposal feeling strangely tired, even though nothing dramatic happened.
The damage is the restart tax. Each switch forces your brain to reload the goal, the context, the next sentence, the next decision, and the emotional state you were in before you left.
If this is already naming your day a little too accurately, save this and try the landing pad method for one work session. The real test is not whether it sounds smart, but whether your next hour feels less scattered.
Is not whether it's less. The simplest fix is to stop planning your day by task name. Writing, replying, deciding, researching, and admin work all ask your brain to operate differently. Put some messages in one pocket. Make decisions in one pocket. Do deep creation in one protected pocket. You are not avoiding work. You are avoiding unnecessary gear changes. When a new task appears, do not instantly obey it. Capture it on a landing pad. One list, one inbox, one place interruption can wait until their batch arrives. When focus breaks, do not waste energies pretending it did not. I switched tasks, I lost the thread, and now I need to restart deliberately. Write 3 lines before you continue. Write 3 lines before you continue. What was I doing? Why did it matter? And what is the very next action? That tiny reset rebuilds context before your brain starts wandering for it. Before ending any deep work block, leave yourself a breadcrumb. A half-written sentence, a next step note, or one open question makes tomorrow much easier.
So the payoff is simple. Switching is not a character flaw, it is a context cost. Group similar work, capture interruptions instead of obeying them, and use a 3-line reset whenever your attention gets knocked off course.
If you want to make this easier, choose one recurring switch you will stop feeding this week. Maybe it is checking messages while writing, opening tabs while planning, or answering every notification the second it arrives.
Focus is not built by having a perfect day. It is built by making it easier to return to the work that matters.